Patrick, will you? Not loud. They're fired up. Let's go up to Commissioner Roger Goodell for the gavel. I got you. Okay, football fans, welcome to the 2011 NFL Draft. Let's get back to some football. Yeah, there we go. The 2011 NFL Draft is officially open. The Carolina Panthers are on the clock. It's open, and the Carolina Panthers have done this the old-fashioned way with the first pick. They've earned it. 2-14, John Fox gone. Here's a coach that took him to a Super Bowl, took him to a championship game. Ron Rivera is the new head coach. Offensively, they were dreadful. They were the worst. Statistically, overall, they were the worst in passing. However, there's nowhere to go but up. Carolina has selected. And it's going to be, well, they're going to sell some tickets, Mel, right?
I tell you, they need some juice. And they got a new head coach, and that's the thing. You think about Ron Rivera with Phillip Rivers, the physical ability that Rivers had. I guess he's seen that in Cam Newton. This has got to be a home run. We said all along, they cannot misfire here to the Carolina Panthers. We'll get into their journey and how they became the team with the #1 pick very quickly here.
So much for using all 10 minutes on the clock. And here comes the commissioner. With the first pick in the 2011 NFL Draft, the Carolina Panthers select Cam Newton, quarterback, Auburn. For the 11th time in the last 14 years, dating back to '98, Peyton Manning, a quarterback has gone first overall in the NFL Draft. Will the result be similar to Peyton Manning, which has been pretty darn good? Will the result be something else? There have been #1 that have been pretty darn bad. But they're, hope springs eternal at the NFL Draft. And Cam Newton is a specimen unlike most any others ever to play the position. I'm sure both of you gentlemen agree.
Well, I think the thing about the NFL now is the rules. And you have a big kid at 6'5", 250 that's able to shrug off defenders. You can't hit him low, you can't hit him high. If you look at Cam Newton, boy, he is tough to get to the ground. Obviously, you talk about Ben Roethlisberger and his success improvising. And that's what Cam Newton's going to bring to the National Football League. Cam Newton's way is just instinctively making plays and winning football games. You see the ability here in the open field to make people miss. Unique qualities for a kid that's 6'5", 250, runs a consistent 4.5 40, strong arm. You don't have to tweak this mechanic, change or alter his delivery any. This kid can spin the football. Accuracy, pretty good. Makes almost 66% completion percentage. The issue is precision passing. Tighter windows in the NFL. Can he handle that? Cam Newton comes in with a ton of upside, a ton of expectation. Big risk, though, or the intangible is going to be good enough. He's going to work hard enough to maximize all that ability he brings to the quarterback position. Cam Newton's got to show that once he's in the NFL. We don't know that. We don't know if he's going to be the first one in, the last one out. We don't know if he's going to be the hardest worker on that team. Carolina's rolling the dice with that work ethic, that passion to study and prepare is there to augment all that ability. We have a record, the shortest time between two interviews. Not